Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello Virgo placements. This is short reading lang o prediction or energies na nakapaloob pa rin, no? Bago mag-end ang July. Okay, so ano ba yung mga pwedeng mangyari pa if ever? So it's like a gabay, a prediction, mga ganyan, message, mga ganyan, no? So, just for you, oo, for Virgo placements only. So, yeah, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again po, no, kung meron kayong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay? So, lahat naman is available. Yung ating granter lang, yung ating made to order. Okay, so available ang ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet na may citrine. So, yeah, citrine is for money. Okay, like money magnet, acting like money magnet. It's the merchant stone, parang ganyan, no? So, meron siyang energy para sa prosperity, abundance, no? Parang ganyan. Yung ating, ang tawag dyan, citrine stone. So, ito siya. Pakita ko. Okay, sa mga bago. So, ito siya. Okay, so gamitan po ito kasama ng evil eye protection po. Ha? So, yes, meron tayong mga evil eye protection. Meron tayong ring, necklace, bracelet. So, like this. Okay, and yung ating pangtanggal, MALAS. So, ito siya. Okay. So, pantanggal po, ha? So, pantaboy, parang ganyan. So, sino man ang nagbibigay ng kaalatan sa'yo, yes, pwede to. Pwede yan sa bahay, pwede yan sa business, pwede yan pang sarili. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter. So, si granter po, yung taga-grant, again, ng iyong minamanifest. Madalas ang minamanifest na pinapag-grant dito kay granter is about mga legal, no? Oo. Like, makapasa sa board, makapasa sa bar, mga ganyan, makakuha ng visa to travel, mga ganyan, or to work abroad, mga ganyan, maka-grant na kung ano man, like, tawag dyan, makapanalo ng kaso, mga ganyan, manalo sa kaso, mga ganyan po, no? Yan yung ating madalas na naririnig na nag-grant, na pinapag-grant kay granter necklace, no? Oo. So, again, this is made to order. Okay, yung ating granter necklace, and this is, tawag dyan, unisex. Okay, so, kung may tanong pagdating sa chain, this is 20 inches long, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, 2 years na po itong aking granter sa akin. So, hindi pa naman nag-fade. Anyway, so, yun lamang. Okay, so, again, meron tayo yung bago. So, yung 4 cleansing. So, meron tayong white sage. This is a cleansing kit. White sage and selenite. Okay, selenite po is re-recharge po sa mga charms, sa ating mga crystals, together. Kung gagabitan natin ng white sage is para siyang, nag-cleanse. Okay, cleansing with charging. So, parang ganyan. Anyway, so, kung meron pang tanong, message na lang po, no? Okay. So, limited stocks lang po, ha, yung ating cleansing kit. Unahan na lang. Okay po. So, tsaka na lang po ako magsasabi muli kung meron pa or ubos na, mga ganyang bagay. Kung kailan ng restock, mga ganyan. Yes, may mga naghahanap rin po kasi, no? Anyway, so Virgo, what is for you hanggang mag-end ang July? Virgo placements. Our Virgos. Okay. The star in reverse. Why? What's with that? The devil. Your first 2 cards. Ito, nakuha to ni Leo. Some of you might be dealing with a Leo. Okay. So, the star in reverse and the devil. Something na pwedeng magbibigay ng pagbaba, okay, ng energy sa'yo. Anong meron? The Two of Wands in, yeah, katulad mo yung energy ni Leo, Virgo. I don't know kung ikaw itong may kakonect na Leo. Okay, or meron kang Leo placement sa birth chart mo na hindi mo alam. So, much better. Panoodin mo din yung Leo placements, no? So, anyway, some of you, you're too open. You're too exposed. Pagdating sa negativities ngayong, yeah, hanggang mag-end ng July. Okay? So, sabihin nating magkakaroon ng opportunity na mabuksan muli yung ibang mga issue ngayong July. Okay po. So, what else for Virgos? Five of Wands. Yeah, this is drama. Challenge for some of you. What's with this Five of Wands? The Knight of Swords in reversed. I'm hearing procrastinations. Okay, some of you be careful, or sabihin nating iwasan yung masyado yung pagmamadali. Like in general, pagmamadali. Okay, pwede kasing mag-cause pa ng mas maraming drama if ever. Or, I don't know, as simple as yung isang gawain, kung minadali mo, sabihin natin hindi mo magagawa ng, or sabihin natin magresulta ng short term, kung ano man. Okay, sabihin natin, yeah, akala mo nagawa mo na, pero hindi pa pala, may kulang, whatsoever. Mga ganong bagay, okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords, the King of Pentacles. Some of you, this could be, regarding work, okay? What else? The Moon. I'm hearing drama. Yeah, the World, universe. May magre-resurface. Resurface. Any issue. And the Four of Cups. The Ace of Wands. This is delays. Let's see. What's with this World in reversed? The Hierophant. This is like commitment. Some of you, andun yung energy na parang, yeah, pwede kang malungkot. Kasi parang may magre-resurface. Magbabalik sa alaala mo siguro. Okay? I don't know kung meron ka lang nami-miss or may-miss. Parang ganyan. Seven of Swords. Yan, Six of Cups in reverse. This is energy na galing sa past na pwedeng magti-trigger sa'yo. Okay, ngayong July, bago mag-end ang July. So, yeah, unang-unang energy na nakita natin is you're too open. Oh, too open, emotionally siguro, mentally, physically. Parang ganyan. Okay, so be careful. Oo, sabihin nating drainy. Kamusta mga Virgo? Draining yung energy hanggang matapos ang July. I don't know why. You're too open. Okay? Masyado kang exposed. So, let's see ano pa bang meron. For Virgos, bago mag-end ang July, what's coming in for our Virgo placements for the rest of July? For the rest of July, okay. Virgo, the rest of July, the Nine of Wands in reversed, Justice in reversed. Be careful with third party connection. Some of you, you'll be open pagdating sa isang third party connection. Yeah, the Eight of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I think some of you, please avoid third parties. Avoid third party connection. May chance po na may mag-start na connection. And I think some of you have to check their background. Checking backgrounds. Okay, lalo na po kung ito ay talagang romantic connection, checking backgrounds. Hashtag checking backgrounds. Okay? So, be careful na mapunta sa isang third party connection. Virgo. Again, the world in reverse. Mahirapan ka kasing makaalis dyan if ever. Okay? What else for Virgo? The Three of Pentacles. So what's with that Three of Pentacles? Virgo. The King of Pentacles. Okay, so there's this collaboration. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng makakausap mo yung boss mo regarding sa kung ano man yung hinihingi mo pagdating dyan sa work. Or pwedeng ikaw itong magkakaroon, came up with another plan if ever. Okay, ano tong Three of Pentacles? What's with this Three of Pentacles? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. So, sabihin natin na pending to before, na pwedeng bago mag-end ng July is mabibigyan ulit ng opportunity na mapag-usapan or what. Okay, another chance. Parang ganyan. Medyo matumal, no? Ang narinig ko, matumal. What else? The Three of Cups in reverse. So, yan na nga, yung energy ng third party. Be careful. What's with this Three of Cups in reverse? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Be careful! Be careful. The Star in reverse. Six of Wands. Some of you, when it comes to commitments, okay, syempre, nasabi ko na kanina avoid yung third party, ha? Okay? So, let's see. Anong meron dito sa Three of Cups? Para maging specific. Three of Cups in reversed. The Fool in reversed. Pagdating sa mga kaibigan, mga Virgo, mga kaibigan, group of friends, circle of friends mo, know your limit. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. If you need to say no, say no. Hindi pwedeng palaging open. Hindi palaging pwedeng ikaw yung mag-a-act as their genie. Okay? Choose your friends. Yeah. Okay? Again, the Eight of Swords in reverse and the Page of Swords in reverse, King of Swords. Some of you, alam mo naman kung sino yung totoo at kung sino yung hindi. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita for you. Virgo placements. Okay, so let's go sa all signs, Aries through Pisces for you, Virgo. Virgos. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries. Ayaw na ma-stuck ni Aries. Gagawa na ng action. So, Taurus. I'm hearing pagdating kay Taurus ng false start or failed start. Okay? Some of you could have this sex-based connection with a Taurus. Gemini. Decisions. Cancer. They like you. Oops. This is too many. Only one. Okay, for Leo. Okay, so ito yung kanina. So, lumabas ulit. So, they're a juggler. They're a juggler. Virgo. Not open. Pagdating sa romantic connection or maybe not ready to enter Stable connection, maybe. I'm hearing separation with a Virgo. Libra. They see you as their way, like an escape. Okay, they see you as their escape. Scorpio, they like you. They want your attention. Sagittarius. Ikaw yung parang hindi makuha ni Sag. Capricorn, you're blocking you. Or there could be a Capricorn na parang nag-aakas. A blockage. So, Aquarius, they need you. Pisces, they're being sneaky. I don't know. Some of them, they're stalking you. Some of them, they're angry, mad at you. Pwedeng hindi kayo nagkaroon ng another chance. Parang ganyan. They're bitter. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.